Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to get multiple sound sources on your phone. So like have multiple volumes going on individual apps. So for example, you can have YouTube going a different volume, right? You can have like music audio going on a different volume. So on the side there, as you can see, I have multiple notification sounds and like my ringer, my AI assistant, and then an individual sound right there. So that's for my Good Lock. So you're gonna have to have Good Lock. Good Lock is an app that is already should be on the Play Store for you. Well, the Samsung shops. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I'm gonna go to the music player here and play the song, right? And you can't hear it because I'm doing a voiceover, but yeah, so the song is playing, right? But you see the volume on the right side here. So I just turned it on. So as you can see, the YouTube music mixer is right there, so you can move it up and down. So now the YouTube music volume bar is down. Okay, so now I'm going to go to a game app here, and then we're going to turn on the volume for that. So as you can see, I have YouTube music still going on the right side, right? And then I have the game volume. So I turn the game volume all the way down, but the YouTube music is still on halfway, about what, 50-40%, and I have the game volume up. So now they're both battling each other, but now the YouTube music is higher. Now the game music is higher. Now the YouTube music volume is down. I had the audio on, but now the game volume's up, down, and then the YouTube video, yep, music is up. So as you can see, individual apps, it works, and it works really good. It works really seamlessly, but you have to download Sound Assistant. And Sound Assistant you can get from Good Lock, and Sound Assistant right here allows you to do so. Okay, so the first things first, you're gonna have to make sure that the control media keys are on. Okay, that's the first thing you're gonna have to do. Okay, so you're gonna make sure that the custom volume panel is on there. You're gonna select that on. That's how you allow multiple volumes to show on the right side. See, right now it's only one, right? But if you turn it on, now you have the YouTube music and you have the individual apps there, all that show on, and you can customize it. You can do whatever you want here, which is pretty cool as well. So yeah, you can look into it, and it's pretty dope how it's all set up. But yeah, so you can select the sound. So make sure you have select all apps for multi-sound, by the way, so all apps can run at the same time with your sound. I made another video about that as well. Sorry, my phone is tweaking. Like, that's why I'm doing a voiceover. It's insane, actually. My phone sucks. It's like, nah, but it's really good though. It's really cool. So definitely download Sound Assist, and oh look, you're able to customize your video, your sound panel as well. You can change it to different colors like this, and it's pretty cool how it looks. You can turn it to a knob, you know what I'm saying, if it works. Definitely give it a shot. But this is basically the end of the video. That's just how you do individual sound apps on your phone, and you can turn it like a Windows mixer, so you can have multiple volumes on and not have them all blasting. But if you have any questions, let's get it, let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.